Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 adults with diabetes will eventually develop kidney disease? That means millions of people around the world are silently damaging their kidneys every single day, and most don't even realize it until it's too late. If you or someone you love is living with diabetes, this video could be a real eye-opener, because understanding the link between diabetes and kidney disease can literally save your life. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel Elder Wisdom and click the bell icon. We share health tips and scientific insights to help you live longer, stay active, and enjoy your golden years with confidence. Alright, let's begin. Imagine your kidneys as a coffee filter. When everything is healthy, that filter keeps what's useful and lets waste flow out. But in diabetes, things start to go wrong. When blood sugar levels remain high for a long time, the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys, called nephrons, get damaged. These vessels act like microscopic filters, but too much sugar in the blood makes them weak and leaky. Over time, the filter becomes less effective. Important proteins, like albumin, start leaking into your urine, and waste begins to build up in your body. This condition is known as diabetic nephropathy, or diabetic kidney disease. Kidney disease caused by diabetes develops slowly and silently. You may feel perfectly fine in the early stages, no pain, no warning signs. That's why doctors often call it a silent killer. By the time symptoms appear, a large portion of your kidney function may already be lost. Diabetes doesn't just harm your kidneys, it also raises your blood pressure, which in turn puts extra stress on your kidneys. This combination of high sugar and high pressure is extremely dangerous. Think of it like this: your kidneys are working 24/7 to clean your blood. When sugar levels are high, it's like pouring thick syrup through a thin filter, it clogs easily. Add high pressure on top of that, and the filter tears even faster. That's why people with diabetes and high blood pressure have a much greater risk of developing chronic kidney disease, CKD. It's always better to get your kidneys checked early, especially if you have diabetes. Doctors use two main tests to find out if your kidneys are being affected by diabetes. 1. Urine test for albumin. This test checks whether a protein called albumin is leaking into your urine. Normally, kidneys don't let albumin pass through, so even small amounts can indicate early kidney damage. 2. Blood test for creatinine. Creatinine is a waste product that healthy kidneys remove from the blood. If creatinine levels are high, it means your kidneys aren't filtering properly. Using these results, doctors estimate your GFR, or glomerular filtration rate, which shows how well your kidneys are functioning. A GFR above 90 is considered normal. Between 60 and 89 means mild damage. Below 60 means your kidneys are not working properly. If you have diabetes, it's crucial to get these tests done at least once a year, even if you feel healthy. Early detection can make a huge difference. Kidney disease caused by diabetes usually develops in 5 stages. Stage 1, kidneys are still working well, but there may be signs of stress or slight leakage of protein. Stage 2, mild kidney damage. You may still feel fine, but lab tests show early signs of trouble. Stage 3, moderate damage. Waste begins to build up, and symptoms may start appearing. Stage 4, severe damage. Your kidneys lose most of their ability to clean the blood. Stage 5, kidney failure. This is when you may need dialysis or a kidney transplant to survive. The good news is, with proper care, most people can prevent or slow down this damage before reaching the later stages. So what can you do to protect your kidneys? Let's talk about science-backed steps that really work. Keep your blood sugar under control. This is the most important thing you can do. Aim for an HbA1c below 7%, or whatever target your doctor recommends. The closer you keep your blood sugar to normal, the less stress your kidneys will face. Monitor your blood pressure. High blood pressure speeds up kidney damage. Try to keep it below 130/80. If needed, your doctor might prescribe medicines like ACE inhibitors or ARBs, which not only control blood pressure but also protect your kidneys. Eat a kidney-friendly diet. Limit salt. Too much sodium raises blood pressure. Avoid sugary foods and processed snacks. Eat fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Be careful with red meat and high-protein diets. Too much protein can strain your kidneys. Stay hydrated, but don't overdo it, balance is key. Quit smoking. Smoking narrows your blood vessels and reduces blood flow to your kidneys. It also increases the risk of complications from diabetes. Stay active. Even 30 minutes of walking a day can improve blood sugar control, lower blood pressure, and protect your kidneys. Avoid painkillers that can harm your kidneys. Frequent use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen can worsen kidney damage, especially if you already have diabetes. Get regular checkups. Ask your doctor to check your blood sugar, blood pressure, urine albumin, and GFR every year or as recommended. If kidney damage progresses, your doctor will work with you to slow it down and manage symptoms. In advanced stages, when your kidneys lose most of their function, treatment options include 1. Dialysis, a process that filters your blood using a machine. 2. Kidney transplant, replacing your damaged kidney with a healthy one from a donor. But here's the encouraging part. Many people with diabetes never reach these stages because they take early action. By controlling sugar and blood pressure, eating right, and getting regular tests, kidney damage can be slowed dramatically, even stopped completely. Your kidneys are resilient, and small consistent efforts can make a big difference. When it comes to diabetes, kidney disease isn't the only risk. It's often linked with heart disease, nerve damage, and vision problems. That's because all these organs depend on healthy blood vessels. When high blood sugar damages these vessels, it affects multiple systems at once. So when you take steps to protect your kidneys by managing sugar, pressure, and diet, you're also protecting your heart, eyes, and brain. It's all connected. Let's quickly recap the key points. Diabetes can damage tiny blood vessels in your kidneys. Early stages often show no symptoms. Regular tests are essential. Control your blood sugar and blood pressure to protect your kidneys. Eat a balanced, low-salt diet, exercise regularly, and avoid smoking. Get tested yearly for albumin and GFR. Early action can prevent kidney failure and save your life. Remember, your kidneys are small, but their role is massive. They quietly work every minute to keep your body clean and balanced. Don't wait for symptoms, start caring for them today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're here to help you understand your body better and live a healthier, longer, and happier life. Also, let us know in the comments, do you or someone you know have diabetes? What steps are you taking to protect your kidneys? Your experience might help someone else. Thank you for watching, and always remember, prevention is the best medicine.